Let's start with the unboxing. Opening the box. The first thing we see is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 itself. Samsung's packaging keeps the focus on the phone, while the overall box design remains clean and minimal. Once we take the phone out, the first thing that stands out is its compact form factor. When folded, the Galaxy Z Flip 8 is small enough to fit comfortably into a pocket or small bag. But once you unfold it, you get a full-sized smartphone experience. Inside the box, depending on the market and Samsung's package configuration, buyers can expect the phone along with essential documentation and a USB-C cable. Samsung traditionally keeps its flagship packaging relatively minimal, so you shouldn't expect a large collection of accessories. And now, let's get to the star of the show, the Galaxy Z Flip 8. The design is one of the biggest reasons people choose a Galaxy Z Flip. The Galaxy Z Flip 8 continues the iconic clamshell design, giving you a regular smartphone when unfolded and an incredibly compact device when closed. The phone feels premium in the hand, with a combination of glass, metal, and Samsung's refined foldable construction. Now let's unfold the phone. And this is where the Galaxy Z Flip 8 transforms into a full-sized smartphone. The main display offers the immersive experience you'd expect from a modern Samsung flagship. Samsung is known for producing some of the best smartphone displays in the industry, and the Galaxy Z Flip series is designed around that same philosophy. The display is ideal for watching YouTube videos, browsing social media, viewing photos, gaming, and multitasking. The high refresh rate experience also helps scrolling and animations feel smooth. The Galaxy Z Flip 8 is designed to offer a capable camera system without sacrificing its compact foldable design. The rear cameras can be used for everyday photography, portraits, landscapes, food photography, social media content, and video recording. Samsung's image processing is particularly important here. Photos typically benefit from Samsung's computational photography, which can improve details, dynamic range, colors, and low-light performance. Instead of holding the phone traditionally, you can use the cover screen and rear cameras for certain selfie scenarios. That means you can potentially use the higher-quality rear cameras while viewing the framing from the outer display. The Galaxy Z Flip 8 runs Samsung's modern Android-based software experience, with features designed specifically for multitasking and foldable screens. The foldable form factor allows the phone to behave differently depending on how you're holding it. Samsung has invested heavily in improving the durability of its foldable lineup. The hinge, frame, display protection, and water resistance all contribute to the overall durability experience. And this phone comes with 3 different colors: